Dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to solve a past paper question relevant to acid bases and salts. This is very important. If you don't have past paper practice along with your knowledge, then your answer will stay incomplete and you will be doubtful. That's why first you must have knowledge, acid bases and salts, then apply that knowledge to solving past paper questions. So in this question, a toilet cleaner contains the acidic salt sodium dihydrogen phosphate NH2PO4. Explain why sodium dihydrogen phosphate is both an acid and a salt. It is an acid because it has hydrogen ions in it. It is a salt because it has still two replaceable hydrogen ions or formed by the partial replacement of partial replacement of hydrogen from an acid. Hope you understand. So if you replace all the hydrogens, then the salt formed will be neutral, as it has still two hydrogen ion H2PO4. So these two hydrogen ions, as long as they're present, it will be called as acidic salt because its pH will be below 7. Okay, now let's move to the next part. Move it because new screen. This part will be stay on the screen and will lead to not a good work. Key part, sodium dihydrogen phosphate can be made by reacting sodium hydroxide with phosphoric acid H3PO4. Write an equation for the formation of sodium dihydrogen phosphate. Okay, so sodium hydroxide when react with H3PO4 phosphoric acid. Now state symbols are very important in solving past paper questions. Now, which salt will be produced? As already given to us, sodium dihydrogen, NaH2PO4, PQ plus water. It's just the formula of two other salts formed by the reaction of sodium hydroxide with phosphoric acid. One salt is there with two hydrogen ions. Other salt will be containing three hydrogen ions and one without hydrogen ions. So it will be Na2, sorry, HPO4. Second one is Na3PO4. This is phosphoric acid. This is sodium hydrogen phosphate. If you understand this, okay, let's move to the next part. Part C. The table shows information about other acidic compounds. Name of the acids: sodium dihydrogen phosphate, ethanoic acid, sulfuric acid. pH of the solution is 0.5 mole per dm cube. See, first in second column, the pH is given to us. So the acid with the lowest pH will be the strong acid, while the acid with the high pH will be a weak acid. And the strength of the acid is increasing down the group. Now, what is the answer for this question? Explained by sulfuric acid behaves as an acid, strong acid, while Ethanoic acid behaves as a weak acid. Sulfuric acid is completely ionized in aqueous solution and has low pH. You understand? Uh, Ethanoic acid has high pH compared to sulfuric acid and is partially ionized, partially ionized in aqueous solution. Boys, keep in mind, you cannot write any abbreviate. This is for saving my time. I write if AQ for aqueous, but if you write in the paper the word AQ dot, you will suffer. Okay. Hope you understand. So it is sufficient for today. Inshallah, in the next classes we will do many questions. I will have sources of last 30 35 years past papers. Inshallah, it is my commitment that I have to make you uh, strong in acid bases and salts, even in all the chemistry. Inshallah, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel if you understand what I said. Thank you.